When you're buying from C&E, you're buying CEntelligence.
Understanding a single product is easy, but CEntelligence is the knowledge and experience to understand and formulate hundreds of products into a winning solution for our customers' team.
We just don't live in these silos where we're processing quotes and orders, but we truly want to take care of the customer in the global aspect. CEntelligence gives us that edge and allows us to be able to do that.
Our technology consultants are CEntelligent because we're constantly training, whether that's continuing education, working with, making joint sales calls with our vendors, or even learning from you in your application. What does it mean to have a solution that's powered by CEntelligence? It means you have C&E's promise that when we're done, it's going to work the way you told us you needed it to work.
C&E is here to support you today, tomorrow, and forever. However, a huge piece of our success is when we are able to impart CEntelligence into you for further project success.